As y'all can see by the thumbnail, today is the day that we take it and finally, hopefully we can get it fixed. Hopefully, I found the right person to fix it. Hopefully we can do more business with them. But a lot of stuff, I'm gonna probably start trying to just like do it myself. But this stuff, like anything electrical, I'm not doing it. But all the other stuff, like fixing like the. So I seen somebody do fix the little dash, because my dash is all cracked up and stuff like that. I'll show y'all.
Going on 29.
Like I said, we out here rolling. Like I was saying, we rolling. About to take it to the shop. Hopefully, get it fixed up like we're supposed to. Like I said, I'm gonna be trying to fix this myself, like fixing this, and then like my headliner and stuff like that. I want to try to do that and fix them, kind of learn and just fix them. Like that, I want to do it myself, but hey, if I can save some money and do it myself, because I look at it like it's my project car. I know a lot of people get project cars and they take them in and let everybody else work on, but it's my project, so I want to do some of the work too. It's my, I want to do some of the work. Yeah, I ain't gonna do too much talking while I'm driving. So I'll do a little walk around when I get there. We'll go from there. It's like this old dash, none of this stuff works. Like the battery thing works here and there, but the oil thing doesn't read right. Temperature doesn't read. My gas doesn't read. So the only reason why I really don't want to drive it, just because I know I got my fans and stuff fixed, but I'd rather run out of gas than my car overheat any day of the week. And who knows, I might take a crack at reupholstering some seats. My carpet really ain't that bad, honestly. Fix this up. My radio is cool. I don't need the backup camera and all that, but I might get it though. Like my brother got in his. Let's see. But I'll see y'all when we get to the shop. So let's go. I still look good driving this thing. I'm gonna have to see when I get it fixed up. Before I get it fixed up with my dreams of how I want it to get, I'm gonna probably get my logo redone. I'm probably get my logo already how it's done, but I'm gonna have me on that branch, and then I'm gonna have me looking down on another picture of myself by this Trans Am or something, or something. I don't know. I got a design in mind, so hopefully I can find somebody that can put it kind of how I want the design. It's gonna be basically. Oh, that's all. I know how I'm gonna have the design. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have myself on a branch, right, staring down at two more of myself. One of myself giving, with a book in my hand, giving advice to the other one that's standing next to this car. This my Trans Am. That's gonna be so nice. So it's gonna be the wise out, but me, I like JJ's cars and advice. So JJ's giving car advice to JJ about this car. I think that's gonna look nice. The owl on the branch, staring down, looking down to me as the owl staring down at the other two. One giving advice and me in this Trans Am. That's gonna be nice. Or me standing by the Trans Am with a book. Which one? One of the ways is gonna come out. Let me get this GPS so I can know exactly where I'm going. I wonder, can I put my spoiler on? Even though this part is broke, I don't know if I probably need to replace that. Will it? Because it probably won't. body moldings, get it like primer down. You know, just get it primer down, get all the body stuff just worked up. You know, just primer down, and then be ready to paint it. Fix the cracked up dash. Probably get some new interior. Get the carpet clean. Yeah, cause these seats, I mean, it ain't like hard or nothing like that. It's just need to be reupholstered, but that's probably just way more expensive than just getting new seats. But I mean, if you want to try to keep everything as original as possible, but you know, I think like a molding is some mold, yeah, because it's clips right there, so it's a molding that goes right there. It ain't really like that. Back seats ain't really like that bad, but I mean, they're worn. Hang these up in the Oops. It was pretty simple. They said they get it, and I also checked my choke out. I like it. See what kind of job they do. I mean, they're a repair shop, so they probably don't do no body work. But anybody, if y'all can let me know where to get these clips from, so I can clip my spoiler in, and I'm gonna go spray it off too, because it needs a bath very badly. But yeah, I see the good rubber on that tread. Probably get it realigned. Probably gonna need some new suspension and stuff like that. You know, probably need some suspension work. Need some new center caps, cause see, or maybe I could just buy this, cause I got all the caps are on, but this part is just faded. Like that one's still like good. That one's faded. That one's all cracked out. Maybe I can just get some whole new center caps. That one's like all messed up. But leaving it to the shop. You're in good hands. You're in good hands. Ooh man, she gonna look real good once the time comes. It's gonna look real good once the time comes. Let me get my other keys off here. Well, I'll not be able to get into my house. But yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking. Man, look at that. Yeah, see, I gotta get that fixed too. I'm gonna do that myself. I think Lucky did his. So I'm gonna do that myself. Get that taken care of, this whole headliner piece. Weather stripping gonna eventually have to be done. But that's about it. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. I'll see y'all. Peace.